Hi folks, today I will try to pick stocks by doing Peter Lynch inside a home. Peter Lynch was a legendary investor who believed that retail investors have edge over fund managers. For example, if you're working in a steel industry, you are best placed to know when the demand for steel is going to rise exponentially so you can buy a stock of a steel company. To replicate this philosophy, I thought that we all have a home, so we can pick stocks by just roaming in our home and seeing what products are being used. I will start with the kitchen, and there are many companies that cater in this category. But I found two companies which have great prospect and they have very attractive balance sheet. My first choice is Hawkins, and I have purposefully chosen this funky colored pressure cooker because I like their creative boldness they have shown in Futura brand of cookers. By far the best quality cookers available in the market are from Hawkins. And if you don't believe this, you can ask anybody. You can ask your mother, you can ask your wife. Their return on capital is close to 65%, which is one of the highest across industry, not just this industry, but across industries. My second choice is TTK Prestige. Their cookware are not of as great quality as Hawkins, but they compensate that with a breadth of offering, due to which they are three times the size of Hawkins. And post pandemic, we all know that our eating habits have changed and we are all cooking more at home. And this shift of trend will help both these companies. We now move to the living area comfort. Here my first choice is Havels. They have a very sound management and their product quality is world class. Their radiators are very popular in north and east part of the country where there are severe winters. And you all might have heard about their last breakout quarter where their sales grew by 70%. Havels have wide range of product from fans, AC in the brand name of Lloyd, water heaters, water purifiers, air coolers and so on. Their return on capital is close to 20 and they operate in a net margin of 9%. My second choice is Crompton Greaves. And if you read their balance sheet, what you will appreciate is their focus on customer obsession. They will keep talking about customers. The desire to solve customer problem is what makes Crompton Greaves a very, very great company. And they have a very efficient supply chain and their distribution network. Their key products are fan, lighting, home appliances like geysers, coolers, etc. and pumps. The return on capital is very high, which is 37, and their net margin is close to 11%. And I'm very sorry that I have put ceiling fan in both of them, but we all know that they make much more than ceiling fans. Now we move to sanitary ware and tiles, and I have two choices here, Cera and Kajaria. India's continuous focus on sanitation makes Cera's story very compelling. And for Kajaria is the leader in tiles and they have wide range of products for all kinds of wall and floor tiles from bathroom, kitchen, outdoor, etc. Very attractive tiles. And with import of sanitary ware and tiles from China taking a hit, both Cera as well as Kajaria will benefit from this trend. These are 6 companies we analyzed today. I'll share a very small anecdote. I was in east part of the country in a small village and I happened to be in a house. It was a attractive house. There were a lot of kacha houses, pakka houses, and a few good houses. I went to one of them, wanted to see what kind of products are there in their house, and I was surprised to see 3 of these products were there. They had Hawkins in their kitchen, they had a Havels fan, and they had a Cera sanitary ware. So these products are not just being consumed in big cities, but even in remote villages of India. So I'll pause here. I will say 3 things now. One is this was my analysis, which was for educational purposes. This was not a stock recommendation. And if you want to buy a stock, you should first analyze the balance sheet. And most importantly, you should understand the risk profile before investing in the stock market. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you want me to analyze a stock or a trend, then feel free to put that in the comment section. Thanks again.